Ekoso da nyame se okoso to de ene so ache kwanso nkoso kra ebraso se to enkomo so mamenda eye efiama kwata maklo sister Sandy be a guy and afi eye professor Ike Wallace me do mo nyina se wona di kan na wona be di djuma kama ye to adwumadi no so an si na menka o se na otwe wie ye eye enua be ma Santa Baron do not friend kwabna edu e wo sagimase ne maame e da fom 1 week observation and then you are paying my member paying 1 week observation ebe koso wo eye sagimase yenkotai ebusuafo achi na one this year sabriye ka say radiator sa from no na bibia nko kama enti the late oba paying Florence Abna Chumwa Edu and the late Professor Dani Kofi Edu 1 week observation no ebekoso Sagimase Presby Primary Park Saturday the 28th of January 2023 inti omenkota Santa Baron kwabnedu enkota echi na wianko kama mpefo atrase Daniel ni kwata Titus Glover kane mashebejoni kane eye swafo abedi achiri watrase ewo hanse sanso na awuho ne awo sana eye both parties ni nyina no ene yen central for no efre no obaboko be wi echi no ensu no nyina eni ayese galamsi ensu no nti watena sibiem ene ebe chire choice of colors you know so kunimdia ba Amenfi Central Mashbe na make na sem no onimnyamfo marine engineer Peter Kwachiaka nemba wi ase nyina aka few female doctors who are omonim dia konkan yie our doctor adwumanim we are not just Ghana we are world if we are now only world few female doctors are almost specialty near so limited nti ono so de nyameti media Adom no bakwaba
ya me de
abo ni kwata Titus Global bakwaba
rambesh
there's a culture be a very worrying. But I'm sure say Ibidian common I don't know. And you titia pansama, even now when the Supreme Court rules, it becomes a difficult situation for it to be implemented, and the police serves as an interfering body in Supreme Court rulings and judgments. It's so worrying in this country. Very worrying.
Me too.
It's very worrying.
I think I heard you.
It's very
about
worrying.
This Tarakoni,
yeah, this
and
it's very worrying.
Student Kings,
yeah.
Something. Seriously, this man has been doing all kinds of things in this country.
I am very serious.
And the impunity at which he's throwing the rulings of the court to the dogs.
Just like that.
It is unacceptable.
Oh, wait, serious.
And oh, remember. Yeah, what's here transit as a state? You see. The courts are the final arbiter between two parties. As a court, I'm not ruling from the lower court, high court, court of appeal, Supreme Court. That's a police penning impede the implementation of the decision of the court. Who are we here, the enforcer of the law? Now we're going to aid, to deny their wedding. I mean, it's unacceptable. And Akufu Dampare. Does he know?
Everybody.
And I heard you. Was he
everybody?
From the president to the chief of staff to the national security to the BNI honestly, to everybody.
And why did me catch your Ghana paying for what you have form so both sides? Uncle for the be several international places in the world. And I don't know. I don't know.
Canada, Japan picked on him some time ago.
It's becoming. Are you?
Me and
are you?
Who for time ni na?
Oh, there's a no chance. What's happening? You move.
Yeah, chance. What Amenfi number? We are now. And the comrade that time.
I don't know because I was
I'm in full support.
Yes.
Sir, who said na washasi no?
Yes.
We should all join that crusade to protect the sanctity of our courts.
And the Nungwa
decisions of our
people,
courts.
they should wake up.
And the Nungwa stool,
they should wake
must
up.
Protect what belongs to them.
They should wake up.
Wakadrene
too much.
Wakadrene a dose.
They should wake up.
Wagadini does. The land does not belong to Tarakoni. It belongs to the Numas too.
Too much.
Bremwe. The grassy.
It has always been the best.
Yes,
peace of mind. Be a party, be a friend. Oh no, yeah, I know Jola Kute. No, so no, Kano. Oh yeah, I know. I come to see what the crash is.
I said, "What
now it's getting worse.
Yes.
Sometimes when we hear the history, the man abanasa, impunity, culture of impunity. Source ni free head nankasa. Yes, the presidency.
Oh, what is it for?
Because
what is it for?
And easy is a head.
Court of my judgment. What? The baby for the member.
Opposite because no. Money making the point because in my you know, kwachi me be also make I say.
Now
the president is aware. Set out the national security to go and investigate the matter. The national security came. Say, and then the cressa is at Traconi, no, or was Sassas the India.
Ya make sure say no one. Ya bet na ya kasa answer me ya. Since president we bar power no. And you might get worse in terms of impunity amount for culture of impunity no. And na edidia must say no, say no. Look at the history. Presidency na kasa ya anchi prosini and free kemu amro no. What happened? A year you got to about war Ayawaso. Ah, Uncle 40 kemu him a bomber at you. What happened? You call court, you crophobia a call court. Ma ya the judges at Yakumim, Macrofoko ye won. Ephraim, ma judge Jani. But my more, the assembly see it is a building upon kakranka during the reign of Akufo-Addo. It is the adrenaline mama. See a buyer come once and make me a list. All these happiness are authority and come once. It is the aquay. I'm a swallow, you are monitoring, you're born up till now. You can't once. President will not even open his mouth on commenting on these happenings. Ya to a bankro for your bone to you, 8 year bone to you, you want about to Bremuno. President, a being a no aka.
So Saku could draw no is because a so no I basa.
Unka president, as some say, see, as some case, yes, money. Said your money, let you see, fellow Ghanaians, who are better now, who are addressing nation, said, no, this thing should not happen. And I'm saying, he said, those people now here, you know, invest in dealing with them. What is the Sanya Messi, President Abekan was them that? I'm a sorry, Momunipa, your body to you, Yakan was them that. Kaka, your Kuni, President being another. It means President supports these things with culture of impunity, or be a 2 year, your Pebia or Manimuno. Or don't I swear, yet, you know, a person, Nibaku, Yinifi, name. Ukokumase, they say one man, was our company, friends, national security
coordinator.
Coordinator, no, yeah, and you know, I'm on the camera at Dasso. President can once 18 million. The way they are part of the system. The president himself condones these things. And I'm be a young on one appointees. Wo ka kene ye pon o ameka say ni pokum jebi dankwa o ameka has there been any action what be boss obi unu abose yenim wonim ni po ye wo se dampare ana you know police command onim up till now nobody has been called to answer questions
but I am very worried kwacha
yes
say ye betimi aka say ye nyina baby ye bodwo so asem si a baby ye bodwo so eye court ekwa kodu court batan na the court batan de beka no o sa call review not and one e bi o mo kan o say ma no de be free o baby na edidi djuma in this case court batan kasa implement it is Peter ahunti o say any court to share so na one so be say court share so bit medicine no bom no akofo bibi so a enye papa dia then me no me no dey
onya the country na kasa no that is the culture eba country no mama related of events actually say lawlessness afamani ye kase ye ka we ehu asema ye nwie court ni ade na court o nti wona judge ekrofo koye nyamana de wo ana won case case what did the court do? What did the court do to those people? Say court ya yansi say ya ma ye fano na keneje pro be kase nkwala ye be fine won am pedro ni fine won court na kase o keneje pro amedi di judge si atem utie tape na se be ye kan sem na apart from say the judge yes
it's akekesi ni
yes judges na kase o obedi di o matem e kasa ensem o kan no me sa me ntumi nyina ho nka enye fe. What happened in the court? The same judges now ya on sa no okopie o manim no dia de na siye fiansi etimi nuanom say decide ya we have allowed ourselves the whole structure the whole system because say the entry can Japan the judges atem no man ntumi anye any action. People first said that was going to be the end.
Okay.
And so fiansi ye jana mani course
all right.
Supreme Court
but you should be worried though. Don't just wash it away. You should be worried though because account here. Account to answer.
Na kwa brand ya kan wasem a nye nne de be kanti mama o record si nye topic nye be discuss now kan
but it's very important.
What can you do? Until there's a change. And no one say the time be be tena ye pese ye tu krofo egu. Sa abani ye tugu na sa culture no e free ho. Culture of impunity judges no cry di o matema o want to take action.
I decided to
one side
limit discussion
on the draconic any case cottage issue
any court no but maybe akwachi akadia ko edie say ho true and na wo wakukudro e case impunity you have the nerves. Do you go back to your history of your party when you say impunity lawlessness it is embedded in the umbilical cord of the PNDC NDC. Hey, now what was it then? You abducted judges and killed them. You don't know your history of your party? And I won't have said video TV so catch it and say, as a man, I can say, ye ma institutions of state, ye the Juma. So the presidency, na court a ruling, na say police, was a more enforced war.
No more,
hey, why you are the president? Why don't we blame you?
Please. The DC ewo form ejuma wo. Na ebia na also oye ejuma ma the mpesa so for ewo ma. Na se BBC that is the responsibility of the DCE ewa Memphis Central. Wanyoa na mu be blame kachaka ewo nkanya. Is it the same? Please. Somebody. Oh. Kawanu to na min kasa. Please. If you finish please.
You don't have a problem.
Please.
You don't have a problem.
The question
it is important for some of these things to be discussed.
Problem min kasa no tie.
We are all common here about social.
But they do baby ya to your boss. You didn't same assembly scenes in Yeswa. You can't dia kwa ye be faswa ye be CC that you need
time.
But where you want to go and jump when you know very well that the impunity and the lawlessness started from the revolution.
We are talking now.
Let's talk now.
Okay, so Kwachi, walk us through. So we are all agreeing. We are all agreeing. Say, any kwansi a Supreme Court.
Not at all.
And any kwansi oppose the funds to interfere in the rulings of the Supreme Court. Yen koya semso. Munene Ghana nkomo no ebia mo ba be fa kakra bi say mo den sachrai kakra bi aba. Walk us through sachrai quickly. Now what is it? What is really the state?
Oh, minia. Makachi was say bomofo ne de ni nam gu apaso.
Yeah.
President asay man no. ona offer bibia so una control police, who control judges, who control the whole executive president
and control judges.
Una offer bibia so hwesofo but bibi ko wronga
untimi ntwe enfrim kra
analysis of ban say DC ni MP no a different cause me hwe DC so yes but so ye DC uti ho na say
you collaborate with the DC
exactly yes but DC ni ti ho no na say bia ni coordinating director the finance officer ye bibia ontumi ntwe no mfiri so because na we head of that institution yes intiano de we president ontumi ka say praise for ye bibi intiano fam nya na appoint ye IGP no judges kura nya na appoint you
atobo ase they said they will see the ye ba oshim the tobo ase
o can even NDC tab PNDC tab ni ade there has never been a timer obi atumi gina confidently what did the judges attempt.
So back to our conversation
because back to our conversation you can leadership now
what really was the issue no more issues and I say well
the IA no you want penny for party for be this leadership no ma hold you seventh parliament and 8th parliament especially Haruna or Kasa the way he speaks no I literature I love literature. I love language. And I love this man for nothing at all crowd his speech. Ojina parliament no kasa. And so who say yes? Berman Eka say. I'm not from compare crowd. Or send some chill down with you. We all like them. Yes, now a serious yakasai. Or say yes, or my body be, but strategically. Yeah, but ball as sometimes Messi. Near replacing. What you say? I don't hear you Messi. Near the player biaba. Maybe sometime I mean you say, hey, more some impending match be a
more demo.
And yeah, waboka crack. If you can't watch Uncle Homie. Last year, I may fear match be we one more player. City, Man City, or she had 3 goals. New sensational.
I said minimum say Haaland was there.
Hazard.
Haaland, right?
Haaland. I shot 3 goals. I go back to my share more. Why near you know? I don't know money and you record. I shot 3. Coach
name the oil.
No coach name the
this time the fake executive name the moye.
It's be there way no way. Secretary Becca say. Nobody, oh, they say secretary.
Chairman,
secretary. Secretary, chairman. And you can say, nobody be your man, yes, someone your man, but strategically. And I'm a assistant neighbor. Okay. Because Haruna, near me or near your man, your Majumadia. And then I say, yes, media me who say, oh, Majuma, you know, it can be home. I fed on a chairman of Public Accounts Committee. I work on that committee. I know how this man said, yeah, now we must see dog. Your core committee sittings, your core sittings near the meeting there, you know how he is. And I don't think say body be no maye and answer omajuma no and so any. By example na mano strategically no and a chairman say omo you on say you have different face in famra.
Okay.
Now omonye hadwen especially in the middle of the session no. Yes. Now my na binom so can say any kwan say omo na eye me then I won't go into the details but 2 tiers about parliament in the 7th parliament chairman ne Fusuampofo ne then secretary Sidin Ketia number parliament they called us and informed us that these are the leaders
also the omo shia no more catch them say we mo can before
sa no mo kai. Yes.
And you're more na more.
When
you can follow through the national executive.
7th parliament. Sa no mo ye. Eye Haruna ni when mo buy no. Sa no mo ye. 8th parliament. This one year call ye. And so omo buy. Omo buy I would say they are maintaining the leadership. There were some memories as usual. But they said that is final. The leadership of the party have decided. No maintain your money.
So it's no news.
That has been the trend. The only thing is different the way no. Oma and Freya said there na 2 occasions on Freya catch and say Ansana. I miss me to am say beer and run against the parliament. resume enra Tuesday announcement share time or there nka ye resume
well whichever way what you've just told me it is a normal practice. The only missing link is say oman fremo
yeah that one yes previous to him dey mo frey nti we no e bia nka mo ye say enra na ye resume no and nka sa I don't know. Nti
but are you worried?
No, but sometimes we leaders are and I tell you America uneasy is the head that wears the crown. Yeah, ye leaders general secretary and chairman say omonye dwuma bi nti adwuma na omo ye say in the end no or there ye din kunim
so omo susu say
no but this thing we are going to judge them one day in case
change
as at now no we cannot know but change is very difficult say change part say haruna ye nim no ono kura ye mu ho and I'm
mutaka ye nim
no me dem say haruna o kasa na mada once be ba me ta kotu words into I love literature me nim say into I love language over free hono ya me answer me ya the moment me ntanka say we are boni and now we papa
okay
I will say well we see what the leadership will say maybe a resume parliament penifo no betrase de on beka no uhumi say we penine den in parliament no we say be abetibiti akire man contem I don't have much say nti de o ma ye no baby be ya baby so maybe it's for our own
okay
good.
so Niqua Titus Glover a normal practice I change yaba we call say na city at least you've been there the now for what's your constitution, you know, what's the mood of the party even right after the change, you know. So how does it go?
Na kwachi uona musician yidi bi pese otu no.
Ade
Misi uona yesi enyumtuni yidi bi pese otu.
So what you mean? Hey, that one that's
ananya wo.
That's what say.
Oh sese.
Enyumtuni yidi be.
And this musician be
with you quite
me was social media nintina. One of the contestants in your bar.
Oba.
But she's the wife of a musician, something. Anyway, that's on the lighter side.
No, but anything.
Momra, na send the coach. Leadership
let them come.
Now we are confirmed. Una bo chassis. Let
them come.
Also no nim.
Listen me social media. I'm even me.
Person be destabilize you.
Let them come.
Let them come.
The former leadership Yaja Honorable Doyo, any Ahmed Banda, and the current Awan Benina are good friends of mine. Me cause 6 Parliament. Nami a deputy ranking member for the Committee of Trade, Industry and Tourism. Professor Jambafo and a ranking. Amadou Surgo and the chairman of the committee. Nami Kaiser Ricketts Hagan and a vice chairman of that committee. Many Honorable Haruna, aye Juma, that time na ye International Trade Commission bill. We worked very closely at the time. Now a minister for trade. In which the performance, the delivery, the composure, the Juma Yawano has his own strength. Oh, the Yene Juma. Muntaka, fantastic, good friend of mine. Now, NDC for a year on changes. Who say no wine? It is their party. But there are few lapses. Uti chilina wusha. Omonze said the omusi ye adieno. Enkuyi. Nikredi abako. Adena me kasa. You have structures in the party just like our own. Here the steering committee, National Executive Committee meeting, then National Council. Who was steering committee? Who was saying, NEC. And on National Council, Functional Executive Committee, a fake. To take a decision like this, a major decision like this, and no name was simple. And I hear bo isidim ketieni. And I'm a colleague, you know, a bisan say, did you inform these leaders, someone, because yeti hey say kwesi chum and Ken epese as host of this show.
You definitely come to me.
We invite you to a meeting. This is purely administrative procedure. Or even translate, we've identified your strength. Why you juma ewo bedwom. You share her, you who say, and what in the world a mutually you talk and everybody understands. But you don't do a coup. What they've done is called coup d'etat.
Oh, changes in your
I'm telling you. This is a coup d'etat.
But what catch your machine?
Yes, and me na me so me come as them. So take it easy and let me flow. Me see why a coup d'etat. Because ese dun ketia say almost man crofo say inkone no mo kasa. I heard him. Almost smile. They sent elders of the party. Is that the right thing to do?
With this decision
that has been major decision like this.
The chairman,
because Usha standing orders now is the party that brings the name to the Speaker of Parliament. And it's a party against you invite your leaders. For even working so hard in 2 terms, 7 parliament and in the 8th parliament for 2 years. Marco recess Christmas, maba. That's a person mu yom flower. Cobra, and your face. I will challenge them for
Juma.
Muntaka, you don't want to say. Are
you saying this process is now?
It never went on.
No.
It never went on.
No. It's not possible.
What I'm saying, listen.
No, it's not possible.
Listen.
How can you just push somebody over?
Me say,
how can you push over?
I say, my tea di Americano. Me wa asempe na wia. And the Sedun Ketia say, him, the national chairman, and the general secretary who appended his signature to that letter to the speaker, they did not invite the leaders. They sent emissaries to them and speak to them. If it is you, how will you feel?
Now, how do you do that?
How will you feel?
Oh, media.
When I finish, don't invite him, please.
No, but it's strange because
come and I am telling you what happened yesterday. You see? And they say, yes, smart elders of the party. Now, don't do it, and for you,
now you are intimidating him.
I'm intimidating. So clearly, you could see that the center cannot hold. But when you know, the day you elected the Zenu Ketia and Fifi Kuti, I realized you are going to have a problem. And you know why? Ebrana Ahmed Ibrahim.
Banda.
A Zenu Ketia launching the campaign. Okoho, Eko Kasai. And Okika say the entire minority caucus are supporting him, including the leadership. Then Aruna came out. I said no. As leaders, we don't supposed to align ourselves with anybody. And for me, I think that the Aruna Troye, it is fair. Because you need to, your vote is your secret. As leaders, I didn't know who align. And yes, sir. And because of Sadiano, I hear friends saying, I
don't think so.
Question back one, maybe some and good evening, Ghana. Paul Adom Watchery, a ball soundbite of Imoru Sanda interview with Fifi Kuti. And now maybe sir, a JDM, almost friend, presumptive leader. Son of my friend, that's the word he described him now. He's a presumptive leader. A major decision like this to change your minority leadership. Did you consult him? I said, did I consult him?
No, but you cannot do without consulting John Dramana.
So
you cannot do.
So
it's not possible.
So it means that John also endorsed this for this thing to be done. Hey, it was a move. And when you know a buboba, but at the end of the day, I said, can say they need to satisfy Central Region and Internet Yedi Atu Fonsi Ediaba. But when you look at Atu as the spokesperson or their ranking for finance and economy, his delivery, his composure, and some on Nokia from as a ranking, some Nokia fantastic. So necessarily you don't need to bring it because he's an economist. Say because you want to change your place, I have no problem. But reasons Odibano. And also, okay. So now in the whole leadership of a front bench, there's nothing there. If you want to do tribal, you want to certify tribal, but NDC Fantis have played fantastic role from Professor Mills to Emisa Atta including Nana Opokwachima. So for me, minimum way. The American say, Yabasham na Makomonim. But me, but Namitikanum, Tamale South, I don't know do Chama. Nakuma was so in some can aid. Now they are calling for so why a consultation. Why are they summoning National Executive Committee? They are meeting this morning for the decision who to Wasi, and you communicated well. Let other people come in, make their input. The entire person who is someone who is and cannot pay moon for emergency National Executive Committee. Ama next members in the world not to do. Or can also no money play fair and no the actual playing or the doing grand and pay. You are going to look at this matter. If you have taken your time, but you have a saying get here and 50. Yeah.
What's your problem? Some party,
we need them in opposition to do their work as opposition. We need them there.
I didn't know.
You want them to scatter?
Okay, for the NDC in opposition.
I should be concerned. NDC said,
but if you have not gone through all this process, it's a big shame.
Oh, no, okay. Now just over cancer, Papa fail.
No, we are.
Oh, no, okay.
Oh, no, okay. Oh, no, okay. Me the Bakacho say, we have leaders. Sometimes you will know how to.
I admit to say, you see, that's the problem we all have, which we need to improve. Admit to say, said Papa or your analysis be one say. Papa say, you must retreat. And the Edibeshi moved. Yeah, I said, who said, where they are going.
And Aruna Bosa, Wakoshe White, yeah, you there, who are now, who can say, Wakoshe White. Oh, who did what's your white? Because you won't have you are happy.
Oh,
me tire. Yes, so we say,
Wakoshe White, yes.
What you have cathedral
and every day, yes, we are all, sad about only now for some time.
A part of
the
system.
Parliament or even on when even obi ye two abawie na opposition Olusia we feel it.
Yeah, you feel it.
Just because or no you feel it.
Yeah, only
because Parliament we nyina say we share we are we nti enya dia obi di hu de kra. Yes.
Okay, so
but yanhwe de ebesie.
Yeah.
And I'm saying me to mean nka say you good and I say bad.
Say I don't know what can.
Yes.
We see we be a test for them to see whether
it's a good decision or not. Until me to mean and condemn and answer affirm.
And then we national executive would take a decision.
Well, I don't know. We only me near me now. I don't know. Young National Cathedral. I don't know about mine. Yeah.
Debbie, yeah. Also, don't conclude. Say I don't know about mine. Debbie. Debbie. Okase no na ebo.
And you try
Wadarma manen kasa.
Wo be ne wahwe
Wadarma manen kasa.
Oh yeah gbe.
Wadarma manen kasa.
Betia no ye ene dey my mistake. I admit. White na me share no. My mistake is here papa.
Ade.
Mun fan cheme. I'm a fish central for.
Ade.
Get there let me share black. Because in crop for me no be wo ayi hwa. I don't know why. It be mun nyina ya akọ. Eye achichire.
Oh, your constituency.
A constituency.
Oh.
Bema ba akọ friend Boja.
Acknowledge.
Very very good person. We ask no o ye good bebra wu ntem.
Sa no mo keka ba
also we are seeing spiritual o say nyame no pese bia why yi no on pese obey body no atwe ukọ this guy Boja wu achire enura executive say ko ho ekochi abusuafo me mo nyina ya akọ me so nyame ya Adom na se mnya kwan a me ba na ma be chiam na ehihye obi a na nyina ya bom na ya ye me wo states na me chairman frame say your member yare now they needed 30,000. That was Saturday na meba for some operation they had to. I'm say okay me ba you be 30,000 mu yesterday na so the man is such a good person. That was Sunday na bedru ye bedru ya airport no frame say asema sabe say the asem now they tell be offer 30,000 no me nya ndufie am hwe na the or say gentleman that was Saturday and Sunday. Now I atima a blow papa. Now another one man so benfi also mini papa ako. Also your friend kakra. Also me one your friend say kakra. They did not call hospital. They did not call clinic. Also, so 2-3 days. No, also, they are all young people, very young.
And that is one thing you don't like saying.
I don't like saying because no, there is something wrong. Yes, it's a district capital. There's no hospital. There's no hospital. Yes. And the hospital baho. I must say, Obi Yari Okoha, there will be a doctor. No one in term, you better test near dinner, so we call a Cassian. There's nothing like that. Into what you are better do now, she a clinic where this has been happening. Do you know that recently we supplied hospital equipment to all my 32, I think 23 or 28 clinics are in the chief compound, a Wabi constituency.
Wow.
You can't now say hospital equipment. Going from Toshinro and look at this.
They're
ignorant.
Very key. And that has always been something that you fight for.
This is the second time I must supply these items. Once you're 100 a year wide, into 23 health centers, clinics are all supply into Utom Pass, 20 crabos or child, 111, and just a ha. Also, who call Reja Baku, bam. Oh, yeah, MPO, where you are
23 health centers.
Health centers. Chief company, a bar power, yeah, Juma. And you say, Juma.
23?
Yes, yeah, doctor. It's, you know, people should understand. Oh, and yeah, it's yeah, bomb dreamers had debts near the I call Obisen Kemfanto Shimura. Naminian, while I wait, and our cousin, you don't know what you're doing, oh, mobile, said the old can, Yamu mobile. Eti, Mamuna Yako. Oh, where do you support me?
So no go back. So no for that.
What's a black? So
there's this suggestion.
Oh, the Boba. Now, I saw for say better late than never. Some fed in Yame Kamakuma. Mamu who say Ghana for a break. I'm so happy because Kadia Kosi. Na money ya tia pansam. Na man for a break. Pensioners almost get their to bank. Na do ne can for yata almost say man ya bobusia no or bobusia just because only percentage. Percentage 1 year say about 159 million Ghana cedis. A bond original, a husika wenya. He is not bringing that money back home. In Kaya also, you know, bond here, I may at of me, and no, na be dinya as SK. Inside I may return, now they have solved your problems. And your crowd ending pension and Sika be a base 10,000 na a good bank on the federal audience about you. And suffer for a moose or Macassa. Not being sorry a cathedral, the Moya cry, naysayers, Moya cry, Bessie. Hey, with impunity, because a culture of impunity now, after minor was my boy. Like I did is the time you can't answer me. Jessica, dear Gusa, even only the
foundation,
the plan alone. I heard they paid $24 million for the plan. What is that? Are we normal? Foundation is also for ya, say $30 million near the goof. Now, economy wrong. Say Ukraine, Russia. If you spend your money like this, what is coming out of it? Okoji loan. Now they are called $30 million without putting into a venture. Is this not what we are going to see? And say no. Asofu Jamia Kamakuma. Pana Omoba out. This is what we expect from them. Yea, and this yaba power near your bonnet said you're not omokana. And thereby my silent no. Monka na young politicians, young also. What do I say? Much ho, way bar or your bonny amaka, where Papa Maka, another party bar or your bonny amaka. So we see you as people are more pay or many year. And this word your mukaya be said, young, nay a bompire and fequem. Because now I say a young mumpire, a binumunko, nebinumra. And that's what is happening. They all kept quiet. But now, I think say God has touched their hearts. About fair dagurum mills on or starting a revolution. Or bar out the resign. That's what a man of God should do. Yes, for the answer in Yamio. Yes,
Yamin do be any.
Yes, only you know. It's more, yeah, may I say, men of God,
I did be
who be, who come once as a cathedral. You make us all your antichrist. Ade, Yamian can say, Marin Baba, baby, I best summon a win.
Hey.
Oh, yes, baby, a best a dining at the end of us. Mammy can't
in Shemudia. It's very good for the reinforcement of our Christian life.
I said we should not.
Me and Yamu is important.
Meeting. But I know also say where we will meet, no, it doesn't matter. But how? How we worship God.
The Bible is not emphatic on where we meet.
I say how we worship is most important.
Wadaroma mesrɛ we bere mesrɛ wo de mane ye hu mo kora se na di ho a enna ne kɔ na wi yesi no bebre do ana odwo enti ye hu nhyiamu de if your description for nhyiamu no obi hall obi say are different because
we should not forget our Christian meetings.
Yeah,
the Bible says
it's very important. Matthew 24 10 12 e ka sa no ma we na enna ne kɔ na wi ye
that's what mama wi e wo mama nka sami. We should not forget our gatherings. Yes,
very important.
Forget it. Name where we meet, no, or patches not in Jerusalem. And I say, the Bible says that. Into a patches of a
so cathedral
that is the reference I may say. It is not where we meet, but how we worship. The Bible says, "Oh, time, my brother, because I know the Bible very well." And they mean can't to me. Yes, we should not neglect our church activity. I say our meeting activities, no worship, no. We should not forget it. But where we meet, whether in Jerusalem or in
even here, Quran.
Here, no. I say where 2 or 3 are gathered in my name.
There be a Benu and Abba says, I will know already.
I don't know. I say as many as believed in him, gave him the power to become the sons of God. Even to them that believe on his
Reverend Peter Kwacheka.
Yes, cathedral don't be who cathedral.
Well, my titles, then you will see. I am
yes, cathedral. Oh, yeah, Antichrist. And you know, I will West Ghana.
All the time in the Latin.
No, but this is interest because we
are working with time on this show. And you were the kind of constituency. No, please.
He's a government in waiting.
Behave.
He's a government in waiting.
Don't be partial here.
No, he's a government in waiting.
I don't care. Who got my power? Why, your mama?
Now wait. Wait.
What please.
No, but why do you say that?
Please,
they are potential government in
please. Can I flow too?
Yeah, and some have to say
white.
No,
and then you are white.
Please, Supreme Court now can be we. You free.
Sir, court wouldn't so. Is it look at your natsam? On him say, so. But party fonti, young you say, you I've walked Juna de Company Bizarre, Yama calculator. Now would you put one out way? Please, when you're talking, I'm quiet. Please, I don't like that.
Why say, oh, no,
because I don't know. In fact, I had a teacher mate that would talk together. Of remansi, even teacher Bedu. Or can Chinigo. Now me chair idea 6th form national service 89. And between Takwa all the way through Bogoso to Bodier to Manso, to Sankurgua, Sorumpine, San Maboy, Wasadunkwao, Enchi, Tacholete, Kremokrum, Quanta, Ammonier, Sewum to Cote d'Ivoire, Minimonina. Na me share social media again. and I done for any will call it set Kwame.
Yeah. Boating.
Or you study about mercury usage in the mining of Galamsey areas now and one the constituency. He did one in body and ye be so a war. Touch on it. I'm in the east or conclude be so. Now or one on Boba. What does it? As some making who said Kwame Boating and Misa. I mean the cough and said the actually say the mercury normally at Galamsey na the idea. It's having some effect on them. I be about Central Region Teaching Hospital. I'm me kase enuna sebi. So I'm really concerned about the health status of them because Oko is a purely Galamsey area. That is a major activity that they do. So coming back to the Galamsey issue, cathedral matter. And then Yenjin pensioner be a second feeling. So that spinning of that propaganda now in this form, Yenjin pensioner be a bond second feeling. There's negotiations, discussion, and Kwanzaa Yeko. Finance Ministry can say because of the challenge now by Assembly, so they want to look at what we could do to salvage this economy. Omusha says that in 2023, Omunya Yanga is 0%. Negotiation no continue see there be ye nya sa and about 2%. And then enu ka say last week yet say Bankers Association no any finance minister no agya to mu say 5% no and we better ebeboa. And that is the way to go. Na say what ha na we ka say ye pension for sika. One sika na ye finism. Ye obi sika finism. And say wo sika e da ho a mesrew wo sika no 2023 we nya interest of 5% that we can go. It is only the international bonds no are buying abomodi as a whole because people buy bonds for 30 years, 40 years, 50 years. JP Morgan, these are people who have invested for long term. But internally, so at least I buy space so that I can't down and from Mills to Jomama to Rawlings to Kufo, I can't down. So we have to make sure you be this cano near Kutiaka. National Cathedral. Who can story now with your Maya? Na topic they say on my engage Deloitte and Touch. External auditors are on my auditing firm. Because I register in Register General. Who register a company and not enterprise. You need to have an auditor at the end of the year. No, Obesha Sikasimu now the audit more. Now you can't say you know. And National Cathedral for no say they are open to Parliament. So Parliament may commission any auditing whatever. They are ready. That will be a measure. The omudis cannot then. Ediayo. Okuja to so edi omu ako Shraj. They are ready anytime Shraj may invite you and say omu brano yamno. They are ready to comply. You may jumano ediakoso. And let us be very careful the way we attack people. In some way, but because also for kusimpwating ye treno say National Cathedral for no se ke bia museum no more expected from accountant no na delay adwuma ya ye were formed by the contractor no we see tuaneka and as no atwintwen enti omo treno ye treno wie no and obomodia no wo musika de ye tua contractor then when the accountant general sika no buy no then they give you the money and the settles where akoye discussion all over for some time now and the mint traha and pontificate in catching is obi disca and obi
also defending
and the he has liberty to share his opinion and
the
oma me kwan na me so min kire madon and Mr. Kwachaka
and this year the by the come and see so where the can say cause
and for now mint and can say obi disca e National Cathedral until the final auditing is done.
Okay.
And in auditing, I'm a trained event. We started audit kakra from Haliworks when I started my productive working life. Before auditing start, there what we called the pre-audit meeting, where the scope and the methodology of audit started. You're discussing with the management. In the course of auditing, your queries never now would demand no release will be documentation where we query where we respond the bar. Then when you finish we have what we call the exit meeting. Yeah, you know. Would do be auditing baby now? They don't even do some of these things, and it's a concern. In terms of governance level, who ye auditor, it's important. Say the between who the fact say we ordinary say who ye dia. Okay. You understand? So clearly, for me, I want the auditing to be done. I support it. Now, Auditor General report, Obia would this be an fake. Obia would be a basic biano, or so fake.
Okay, Kwachimameno was it. Na Mensama Yako for your constituency issue. Okay. Now, Charity Catering Services, Kumasi. Mr. Charity, good morning. So, Bribiaji, Naoshe, Anafi, Nana Ya Amuno Jemfua, also a Patasi. With the man Hene Kwabna Sante, Onyame Adoma, Echina, we are meeting. Thank you so much.
Police in